Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can remove an indicator and TradingView mobile app. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your TradingView app. Then as you can see here, we have two indicators. We have this one, which is on the top. This is market sessions, and we have this one, the RSI. So to delete this one and this one, just click on this icon here. And as you can see, this name is for this indicator. And this RSI is for this indicator. So let's say you want to delete this one. Just click on the name. And as you can see here, we have remove. And as you can see, that indicator has been removed. And the second one also, just click on the name and click on remove again. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.